Take a piece of cardboard, draw shapes of elephant and its ears. And then cut out the shapes. Place the cardboard for ear on felt and cut it out. Layer two fabrics together and use the elephant shaped piece to trace the image on the fabric. Cut on the line drawn. And make sure the two fabrics are layered on top of each other correctly and start to sew all around, leaving a gap. We use this gap to turn it inside out. Use a stick or a pencil if required for hard to reach areas. Fill it with cotton or pillow fillers. Once filled, sew to close the open gap. Sew small beads for eyes. Then use cutout felt for ears. And I'm using a piece of yarn for tail. Repeat to make in different colors. Take fishing wire and tie belt to one end and pass the needle on the other end. Take colorful beads and pass them through the needle. Number of beads depend on how long you want the hanging to be. Then pass the doll. And again the beads, and so on. If you don't have a bell, you can use Christmas ball or any other decorative piece. Once done, tie a ribbon or lace. And use push pin to hang it on a wall. Thank you for watching.